What's going on, guys? It's Bucky and welcome back to your 7th XHTML tutorial. In this tutorial, what we're going to be learning how to do is create a link within the same page. So we're saying, alright Bucky, you are an idiot. Why would I want to click a link that takes me to the same page where I'm already at? Why can't I just hit refresh if I was just going to do that? Well, this is helpful for one main reason. If you have a really long website and you don't want to have the user scroll down looking for whatever piece of information they need on that website, you can create something like a table of contents or a directory at the top, and then they click whatever information they want, and it just shoots them down to whatever they were looking for. So before this tutorial, what I did is I went and grabbed a bunch of random information. This is actually the rules from my forum. If you ever get a chance, check it out, thenewboston.com/forum. Plug. And you can use whatever you want, but I just needed a lot of text. So as you can see, this is a pretty long web page, and if the user was looking for something on here, you don't want to make them go to your website and scroll down and be like, yeah, you find whatever information you're looking for. This is 2011. We don't have time for that. I want my data right now, biatch. So let's go ahead and create a navigation system where it makes it easier for the user. So the first thing that we need to do is write, alright, where do we want our target to be? So let's go ahead and do this. Let's go ahead and make a link at the top that says farming or something, and when they click it, it shoots them right down to this section. And maybe we'll create another one that says caps, and when they click that, it shoots them right down to this section, so they don't have to scroll through looking for it all. So in order to link to this section of our webpage, we need to create a target, a way of saying this is where I want to link. So in order to do that, go in your code where it says post count farming and go ahead and add your anchors. And take note, you don't need anything in between these anchor tags because we're not really linking to anything. This is just the destination where we want to end up. So anyways, in your first A tag, what you need to do is this. You need a name for your target. That way, if you have a bunch of different targets on your web page, your browser knows what one you're talking about. So instead of href like before, this attribute is called name. And set this equal to whatever name you want. I'm just going to name mine farm because, this is a section about post count farming. So why not name it farm? Simple enough. So go ahead and write a name equals farm. So now we have the destination. This is the destination where we want to end up. Now in order to link to that destination, here's what we need to do. At the top of your page, or wherever you want, go ahead and add your anchor tags. Your ending anchor tag, and write something in between like farming section. Now whenever they click this, it should take them to the farming section. But in order to link to this section, you need to do something weird. Remember that href attribute that took you, to other pages like Google or something? Well, instead of writing the name of a website, what we can do if we want to link to a different section of the same website is write the pound sign and then write whatever name the anchor had. So that name was farm, so let's go ahead and name that farm. So again, let's go ahead and save this and I'll show you guys how it works before. So let's go ahead and refresh, and now we have a link at the top that says farming section, and whenever we click it, it takes us right down to the section of post count farming, so we don't have to scroll all the way back there. Just click it and it takes us there. Pretty sweet, huh? So let me go ahead and do this one more time with a different section until it really sticks in your brain. So let's go ahead and link to this advertising section. Why the heck not? So let's go ahead and add my tags first. And as this name, I'm going to set name equals ADS for ads. So now let's go ahead at the top here and let's go ahead and make another ads section, not bad. And now is href for this, or is the destination for this, go ahead and write pound sign ads, because remember the name of this target was ads. So now let's go ahead and save this bad boy. Hopefully I didn't mess anything up. Refresh. And check this out. Whenever we want to go to the farming section, click farming section. It takes you to farming. whenever we want to go to the ad section, click ad section, it takes you to advertising. How sweet is that? A nice little navigation bar at the top to link to different places on our website. So again, the thing, I just want to recap one last time. You don't need any link right here because this is just a destination. We're not making a link itself. We're just making the end destination. What you do need a link for is this. At the top section, the navigation bar, the place where you click, that's where you need to make the links. And in order to do that, use your href attribute, and for the destination, put #, which pretty much means somewhere on my website, and the name, whatever you named it, that keyword. So that is basically how do you create a link within a web page, and that's why it is useful. So don't forget, anytime you create a long web page and you don't want to annoy the user, this is the system that you need to set up. So anyways, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to check out my other videos, and I will smell you guys later.